Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Five Nights at Freddy's Help Wanted on Nintendo Switch. This game brings many classic experiences and new minigames to your console. To begin, navigate menus using the D-pad. You'll primarily use the left stick to control your character's line of sight and the right stick or D-pad to switch between camera feeds. The X button often activates lights or closes doors. Understanding the controls is crucial for survival. You'll use the R trigger to quickly access your camera monitor, allowing you to survey the pizzeria. When an animatronic approaches your office, press it to close or open doors on either side. The B button controls your lights, essential for checking hallways. Remember, specific minigames might have slightly different interactions, so pay close attention to on-screen prompts. Survival in Help Wanted relies on smart resource management and keen observation. Always conserve your power, as running out means game over. Keep a close eye on your camera feeds to track the animatronic's positions. Listening for audio cues, such as footsteps or vent noises, is vital for knowing when to react. In some scenarios, quickly donning the Freddy Fazbear mask can save you from an approaching threat. Beyond the main nights, Help Wanted features diverse minigames. For instance, in Five Nights at Freddy's 2, you must regularly wind a music box to prevent a specific animatronic from attacking. When Foxy appears in the hallway, rapidly flashing your light will deter him. Parts and service levels require careful, step-by-step repairs. Don't forget to search for Faz coins and hidden tapes throughout the game to uncover additional content and lore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.